We're back with another incredible restoration. This beautiful beaded wedding dress has drink stains and mud covering it, but it's nothing Bill can't handle. He starts by removing the metal hooks, then continues to inspect the dress. As you can see here, he gently moves his hands along the dress, checking for loose beads, and when he finds them, he quickly ties it off and continues the inspection. Now, it's time to go into the sodium perborate bath, and luckily, Bill doesn't even have to make one. Because of the size of the sink, two dresses can easily share the same bath. After soaking for an hour, the drink stains are completely gone, but the mud still needs a little extra help. So, Bill starts a new bath, but with this one, we use soap and an emulsifier so that he can hand wash the hem of the dress. After another hour in the bath, it's finally time for wet cleaning. Just look at the difference. No more pink stains, no more mud, and now the dress is hung to dry overnight. The next day, Bill starts the finishing process. Now, because of how this dress was made, we can't press it like most gowns. A steam and a vacuum is all it needs. After finishing the bust, he moves on to the body, repeating the same process over and over again until it's finally finished. Now, it's time to prepare this dress for long-term storage. From stain to like new condition, this dress turned out incredibly well, and it never ceases to amaze me the magic that Bill can do. But first things first, we have to remove the foam bust pads. This process is extremely important because if left on, the chemicals in the foam would off-gas over time, causing discoloration to the fabric. Now, it's time to get out our acid-free preservation box. Bill straightens out the dress, then takes the acid-free tissue paper and lays it in between the folds to prevent hard wrinkles from forming over time. Next, Bill puts together an acid-free bust form and inserts it into the dress. Finally, the box is put inside a muslin slip, which acts as another layer of protection for the dress, and now it's ready to face the age of time.